Here I have ASUS ZenFone AR, and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Afterwards, we need to open the slot and the tray for the SIM and SD card. So let's find the tray. The tray is located at the left edge of the device right here. Let's use some thumper tag or special eject tool. Here I have thumper tag. Let's just press it into this hole right here. So let's just press it. Now you can remove the whole thing. Let me do it. And here you can insert Nano SIM and micro SD. So let's start by using the micro SD. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here, and you can place this card in that slot. Here you may also place the second SIM card if you would like to, but you have to decide whether you would like to use the SIM or SD. Now let's start by inputting the Nano SIM card. This is the Nano SIM card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position, and that's it. As you can see, this is the properly prepared tray. Now let's put the whole tray into your device. Let's press it to the end. Excellent. Now let me press power key to switch on the device to make sure that both cards works properly. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, let's unlock the screen. Let's tap OK, tap apps icon, find and select the settings. Here we have to choose dual SIM card settings, and as you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Now let's go back, and right here you have to choose storage. So let me find storage right here. This is the storage settings. As you can see, the phone is reading our portable storage, so our micro SD. So everything went well. You can go back and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.